To go for a recap of what you have learnt so far, just click on any of the buttons on the screen. Abacus. The abacus is a simple instrument. It is made of a wooden frame inside which beads were arranged on the threads or wooden bars. Blaise Pascal invented a mechanical calculator in 17th century which had wheels with numbers. It came to be known as the arithmetic machine or Pascaline. Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, first theorized that mathematical calculations could be carried out by an automatic machine. He invented how to break up calculations into simple operations. For this reason, Charles Babbage is considered the father of the computer. The US built ENIAC or Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer was the first electronic programmable computer built in the US. The ENIAC was faster and more flexible than the Colossus. Turing proposed a simple device that he called Universal Computing Machine. He even proved that this kind of machine is capable of computing anything that is computable by executing instructions stored on tape. The Manchester Baby. It was the world's first stored program computer. It was built at the Victoria University of Manchester by Frederick C. Williams, Tom Kilburn and Geoff Tootle. Transistors gave rise to the second generation of computers. If compared to vacuum tubes, transistors have many advantages. They are smaller and require less power than vacuum tubes. Also, they give off less heat. Integrated circuit, IC. The idea of the integrated circuit was first conceived by a radar scientist working for the Royal Radar Establishment of the Ministry of Defence, Geoffrey W.A. Dummer, in 1952. It replaced transistors. Intel 4004, the premier microprocessor, was first designed and realized by Ted Hoff, Federico Fagin, and Stanley Mazer at Intel. It became the latest technology in computers. ARPANET, a U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, which goes by the acronym of APRA, decided they need to share the computer with more people located in different research institutes. These views resulted in creation of a network of shared data links, which was called ARPANET. Ethernet, The development of the Ethernet in 1973 made modern communication possible. Ethernet is formed by creating a physical connection between two or more devices. After the development of the Internet, a network was created. This network provided a connection between all the computers which have Internet connection. This network is largely called email.